How many times have we seen a boat and the cowling just looks like absolute trash? Even if it's only a couple years old, the boat's been maintained, the gel coat looks decent, but the cowling is completely faded. We have a super nice solution here at Yacht Armor with our outboard cowling kits. Cowlings are super expensive, right? Like factory cowling, just to buy a new one, is like upwards of $2,000. To refinish them, you're looking at least $1,000. The decals are $300. So having Yacht Armor on the top of the cowling just helps keep it looking brand new and lasting long. So we're talking 5 to 7 years. You're not gonna have to worry about the sun fading it, hitting anything. If you damage something on the motor and you just damage the film, you can rip it off and slap a new one on and you're good to go. Typical applications where we would apply Yacht Armor is standard on the top cowling, because that takes the most abuse, right? We also can do below the cowling pan if you so desire. We would just recommend that you do your top cowling. Anything else extra you can add if you'd like. There's a variety of different types of cowlings on the market. So most of the ones that we have, the most popular, are kitted. But if we don't have something that's kitted, we can bulk install it and custom fit it to your motor. So we have 8 mil and 14 mil thicknesses with different application situations. So if you've got outside motors where you want to, put 14 mil on the sides because you're going to be rubbing up against the dock, or you're doing a ton of fishing, you can do 14 mil or 8 mil. Depending on your use case is going to depend on what thickness you have. Just ask your certified installer which thickness you think they recommend. So if you have a new cowling, that's the most ideal application before it's actually hit the sun. So virgin cowlings, we want to cover them up with protection as soon as possible. If you have an older cowling that's faded, this might not be a great application for you right out the gate. You might have to get some refinishing prior to us putting the Yacht Armor on the product. So no matter what outboard you have, we've got all different situations covered here for you. If you want your top cowling, your side cowling, pretty much any Yacht Armor marine protection film can be applied to any motor, either custom fit, bulked, whatever, we got you covered. So if you're looking for this type of protection, check out our installer locator and find an installer near you, and they'll get you hooked up.